In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut when it's not working properly. If CapCut isn't loading templates, filters, or stickers, start by backing up your project. Use the Export Draft option and save the draft file to a safe folder using your file manager. Next, open your device settings, tap on Apps, select CapCut, then open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Data and confirm. Keep in mind that this removes local app data, so make sure your projects are backed up first. Now reopen CapCut and check if the issue is fixed. If CapCut's online features are unavailable in your region, try connecting to a VPN and then launch the app again. Finally, use the Import Draft option to restore your saved project and continue editing. And that's how you can fix CapCut when it's not working properly. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.